What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna get these cylinder heads on there. Right, got the new aftermarket ICE cylinder heads. We're gonna get these mounted on, of course, with the LS9 head gaskets. Already got the ARP head studs installed. So man, we just need to get to it. All right, baby, let's go. Let's get these installed. BTR head gaskets here. I could have done something crazy and just reused the old ones, but that'd be fine. I'm sure the old ones would have been fine too. The old head gaskets. And let's get them on. All right. So putting these on, you want to make sure front of the engine. Okay, have that onto the front. So this one is on the passenger side. This would have been really good on that 6.0, but you know, we get the 6.0. We get it fixed, it'll go on something else. Got a big surprise coming for y'all next year. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what I'm gonna be racing next year. All right, a little bit different. I'm still racing Lucille, but a little bit different. All right, she's on there. Now, let's get the cylinder head on it. Some people like to coat the gaskets. I haven't been coating mine, so I've been having good luck without it. Ooh, man, she looking good up there. Real good. Real good. All right, so might as well go ahead and put the other one on as well. Let's get both of them on at the same time. Same time, man, same time.
Same time, man, I don't know you, same time.
My buddies coming over, they're gonna help me out. I might get it in before they get here, but today's install day. We're gonna get this motor installed into the car. There we go. All right. Yes, I know my garage is a mess, and every time I work out here, it stays a mess. But I got everything back on. Got the flywheel, almost everything. Got the flywheel on, got the diaper on. I forgot to put the pulley on the front, so we're gonna go ahead and get that pulley installed and put that on, and then we're gonna drop it in. We need to get that pulley installed now because that thing is a son of a gun to get on. All right, so let's get her on. Let's get some better lighting in here too for y'all. All right, so if you guys are interested in about the torque specs and everything for putting this pulley on, all right, it's a whole series. It's 250 foot-pounds, the final torque, and you got to take that boat out and put a new boat in. But I'm using the ARP bolts, it's reusable bolt. All right, so I'm gonna put you guys on the time loop. I'll put an info card above if you guys want to see about the specs for this. But I'm gonna just go ahead and put you on the time loop right now so we can get it done. All right, guys, so we got it in there. My buddy Ty and Clay came over, and I was just fighting with it. We was fighting with everything, so I just decided to just turn the camera off. But it went in for the most part. Once I took this bumper off, man, it went in pretty good. So now I just got to get everything together, and I lost a steam port block off in the back. Because the old heads, they were welded in the back, so I didn't need it. So now I gotta either find another one or hope somebody in town can get me one. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my water pump and everything on the front and these motor plates, so we can get that knocked out. All right, let's tighten it up. Oh man, God, my back!
Oh God, my back!
Okay, so one thing I forgot to mention is that when you have ported cylinder heads, okay, your intake port is probably large enough where it's going to come into the rocker arm threads. So what you have to do is, I forgot to do it, I always double checking my work, is you need to put, now you don't necessarily have to do this, you could put Teflon on it. I think I did that one time before, just put Teflon on the threads. But you need to put something on the threads, whether Teflon or RTV. Just put that on the threads, and then just screw it back in and torque it down like normal. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a little bit of RTV on the threads, and then we're going to torque it back down to 26 foot-pounds. Only on the intakes. You don't need to do it on the exhaust. All right, guys, so I think everything is hooked up and good to go. Let's cross our fingers. We're gonna go for the first start. All right, so let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna turn it over just to see what happens to get some oil pressure. Come on, baby. A lot of steam coming off it. All right, guys, so that is it. I got the car back together. She's running. So next stop is testing. We're going to get her out to the track and we're going to test her. So yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing.